Good day, ma'am. Today, I will explain the difference between the exclusionary rule and the fruit of the poisonous tree doctrine. So first, what is the exclusionary rule? So, exclusionary rule means that evidence which is collected in an illegal way cannot be used in court. For example, if the police enter a house without warrant of arrest or search warrant and get some document, those document cannot be used because the search was not illegal. These rules protects the rights of the people. And the next one is the fruit of the poisonous tree doctrine. So the fruit of the poisonous tree doctrine is connected to the exclusionary rule. It says that if the original evidence is illegal, then all other evidence that comes from it is also not allowed. For example, if the police use an illegal document to find a hidden gun, that gun cannot be used in court. It is called the fruit because it came from the poisonous tree, which is the first illegal action. In short, the exclusionary rule stops illegal evidence, and the fruit of the poisonous tree doctrine also stops all other evidence that came from that illegal source. And that is my explanation about the exclusionary rule and the fruit of the poisonous tree doctrine. And thank you for listening.